Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on fractions. In simple terms, a fraction is part of a whole. For example, if you buy a pizza, you might share it with someone else. That is, you do not eat the whole pizza. You only eat part of it. Consider the above pizza. Some lucky person has taken half of it. You might be the lucky one who eats the second half. Writing fractions. For the pizza, we can write 1/2 in the following manner. 1/2 equals 1/2. As you can see, the fraction has two main parts. The top number is the numerator, so the numerator is 1, and the bottom number is the denominator. The denominator is 2. The denominator tells us how many equal parts of the pizza we have in total, for example. The numerator tells us how many parts we have eaten, for example. More examples. Consider the following cake. The cake has been divided up into 4 equal parts. That is, each part represents 1/4. If I eat one part, that represents 1/4 of the cake. So that section there, for example, just that little part there, that is 1/4 of the whole cake. Imagine that I have a birthday cake and I cut it into 4 equal parts. As we can see to the left, 2 of my friends visit me and we all eat 1 piece each. That is, there are 3 people altogether. So each of us has eaten 1/4 of the cake. That's 1/4. Altogether, 3/4 of the cake has been eaten. 1, 2, 3 parts, which is 3/4, so there's 1/4 left. Other simple fractions. For each of the following examples, what fraction has been shaded? So here we have a circle which is divided into 4 parts. That's the denominator. 3 parts have been shaded, so the answer is 3/4 of the circle has been shaded. For the hexagon, we have 6 parts, so that's the denominator. 1 part has been shaded, so 1/6 of the hexagon has been shaded. For this example, the square has been divided into 8 parts. That's the denominator. 7 of those parts have been shaded, so 7/8 of the square have been shaded. For the next example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts of the pentagon, so that's the denominator. 4 parts have been shaded yellow, so 4/5 of the pentagon has been shaded. And for the final example, we have a circle which is divided into 9 parts, so 9 is the denominator, and 7 of those parts have been shaded, so 7/9 of the circle has been shaded. So this video has introduced us to some fractions, and we've seen that a fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator, and we've just seen a few examples where those 2 parts are used.